Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of laws of motion. The question here is forces of 5 root 2 Newton and 6 root 2 Newton are acting on a body of mass 1000 kg at an angle to 60 degree to each other. Find the acceleration, distance covered and the velocity of the mass after 10 seconds. So first of all we see how to find force. So this is a body which is acted upon by first force F1 and this is second force, that is F2, and the angle between them is 60 degree. So now we see that these are the two vectors. So the resultant force will be along this direction. So first of all we will have to find out this force. So before finding this force we see what is given to us. Given is force F1, magnitude of force F1 is 5 root 2 Newton and force F2 is equals to 6 root 2 Newton. Mass of the body is 1000 kg. Angle between the two forces is 60 degree and time given is 10 seconds. So now we see the formula. Formula for net force according to vector sum, F will be equals to under root F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta. Now we see solution for this question. Solution. First we calculate force. This is equals to under root 5 root 2 square plus 6 root 2 square plus 2 times 5 root 2 into 6 root 2 cos 60. Cos 60 is half. On solving this we get force equals to 13.49 Newton. Now acceleration, we have to first of all find out acceleration. Acceleration is equals to force upon mass. So that will give us force is 13.49 upon mass is 1000 kg. So on solving this we get acceleration is 0.01349 meter per second square. Now we have to calculate distance, or first we calculate velocity. So for velocity v is equals to u plus at. Initially the body was at rest, so initial velocity is 0, therefore v is equals to at. Now we find the value for velocity. So acceleration is 0.01349, time is 10 seconds, so velocity comes out to be 0.1349 meter per second. Now we calculate distance. For formula for distance will be equals to s is equals to ut plus half at square. So now distance is equals to u is 0, so this is 0 plus half a is equals to 0.01349 into 10 square. So on solving this we get distance is equals to 0.6745 meter. So now we write the answer to this question. So answer is the acceleration of the body comes out to be 0.01349 meter per second square. Velocity comes out to be 1349 meter per second, and the distance covered by the body is 0.6745 meter. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problem.